Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ming Espiritu Bascas, and for today's lesson I'll be showing you on how to construct another pattern which to be used for the other design of, it's like this is in relation with the previous design of the college uniform. This tutorial is intended for beginners because maybe they are not used to use one pattern for several designs of their projects. So what I'm going to do is to return this or to attach these pieces to the body. You see, this is the front and this is for the back. So I need to tape this. To remove this first, and then mark it or put on the other sheet of pattern paper to mark the necessary markings for the other design of the uniform. So I'll be showing you on how to do this. But when I was starting, I'm using one pattern paper only, like for teachers, because teachers have 4 designs of uniforms and I'm using only one pattern, but all the markings for the 4 designs of the uniforms are already included in one pattern. But I don't recommend to use that. You might get confused if you are still a beginner. So this is the purpose of doing this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is now the back and the other is the front. Now I'm going to lay it on top of the pattern paper. So this one is 2 pieces also. So I'll do the front first. Okay, watch closely like this. So you have to lay your pattern paper here. Okay, then you have to pin it here. Okay, now you check this mark, this one there. Okay, there, this is one of the basic marks here. Then you are going to measure 1 inch distance, 2 lines of 1 inch distance here, here, and here. Okay, here and here. There. This mark also, we need the tracing wheel to trace the marks here, but this one we need to mark with the pen first. Okay, I'm going to mark it until up like this. Okay, this one is 2.5 inches. Now I'm going to move 2 3/4 here, there. Okay, the original mark is here. Now this one is 2 3/4, then there, and we are going to connect these two lines. I'll be using different color of the pen, so I'll be using the green one. Okay, there. So this is now your front. This one is wider than this original one, okay, because it needs for the design to adjust this one. Okay, let's do this part. So you have to fold this, then get your L square to get this angle to make the back shoulder seam. Just mark it there, okay? And as usual, that you are going to get the length of this one to transfer it to this part. Transfer it here, okay? There. Then you're going to connect these two marks here, okay? Then use other pen. There. So this is now your back seam. Okay. Now, you mark here, you're going to use your French curve. So you're going to check how I lay this French curve here. So like this until here. There. Okay. So this is now your back. Okay. Now for the front, you're going to trace this dart and this mark here, and then for the back mark, which is this one, and then the basic marks. Okay. Then for this one is for the back. Okay, there. See, it's like this. Take your other pattern and get this part here. Just lay it there and mark it here. Okay. There. Then trace this one with this French curve later on. Okay, now we are ready to remove this. Oh no, we have to trace this first for the front. So this is until the bottom there. Okay. Now, for this part, we're going to use this hip curve here, okay? Because this is straight, so we need to close this part, okay? There. There. Okay. The door is missing here. I will show you later. I'm gonna cut this one now. Going to cut this here. But when you reach here, we'll go there to this part. Okay, so you need now to get this front part first. You can use your original pattern, given how many designs, okay? There. Okay. Remove this. Then this one. These are two papers, two pattern papers. Okay, here. Then this one is the dart. The dart of the front is long until here. Then there. Okay, so this is now your front to there. It's elongated. Okay, this is now your front, but we are not yet done with the front because you are going to measure this neck depth here for the design. Normally we are measuring 3 inches from the second perpendicular line, which is this line. Now we are going to measure 6 inches from this second perpendicular line to here. Okay, and then you are going to shape it with the use of your French curve. It's like this, okay? Because the shape of the design is like this. Okay. There. So this is now your front. Okay. And here there is pocket, so you're going to mark 1.5 inches from the waistline. There. 1.5 inches there to here. And it's gonna connect it here. Okay, then you are going to measure 3/4 inch here. 3/4 or any measurement. If there is measurement to be followed, then you're going to measure it this way. But from here you have to measure 1.5 inches only. Okay, from this part. The distance of this one is 1.5 inches. Okay, so this is now your front. This is not connected with the front, but I mark it there only for the back. Okay, So this is eliminated. Let's proceed with the back. Okay, this is your front. And I need to cut this part. Okay. And this part, the allowance for the button and the buttonholes. So this one must be removed from the back pattern. And then you have to mark this for the hemline, the straight part. There. Then you need to mark the dart. Okay, this is now your back. Okay,